Hi, I'm Kelly Whiteman, and I am the department head for VCC's CAD and BIM technology programs. We're one of Western Canada's top schools for drafting technicians. We offer 6 programs ranging from short certificate to diploma, running in length from 14 weeks to 2 years. The skills and hands-on experience you get at VCC prepares you for an in-demand career locally or internationally. Please join me now for a brief presentation on why coming to VCC's CAD and BIM program is the right choice for you.
Hello and welcome to VCC's CAD and BIM Technologies Designing Your Future info session. A little bit of background about Vancouver Community College. We have more than 17,000 students annually. We have close to 700 Indigenous students enrolled in various programs. There are 50 languages spoken at VCC, and we've been producing drafters since 1949 in the CAD and BIM department. What is CAD and BIM? CAD is an acronym for Computer-Aided Drafting, and BIM is an acronym for Building Information Modeling. So what do you think about when you think of drafters? We create 3D models and technical drawings for the construction industry. We work in an office environment. We work closely with architects, engineers, contractors, and fabricators. VCC offers a 2-year CAD and BIM diploma. In your first year, you would choose a specialty. It could be architectural technician, civil structural technician, or steel construction modeling technician. In your second year, you would choose another specialty that is different from your first year specialty. So we have architectural technician, civil structural technician, and steel construction modeling technician. So for instance, if you chose architectural technician in your first year, in the second year you can choose either civil structural or steel construction modeling. We also have a 14-week short certificate, and that can ladder into your first and second year certificate and diploma. If you choose, after 1 year, you can exit with a certificate in the specialty that you've chosen. I'm going to run through a few projects our graduate students have worked on. A project like the Canada Place cruise ship terminal, the Vancouver Public Library. This is a really cool project that one of our students worked on, Avatar's Land in Disney World. The steel construction modeling class worked on this. Also the T-Mobile in Seattle, San Francisco Oakland Bay Bridge in San Francisco. Here is some student work that our students have produced in the program. Students start with basic drafting, then they move into 3D modeling using BIM software, and then they move into integrated projects that they work in a class environment in the cloud. Here is our basic drafting. After about a month, you'll produce a drawing similar to this, using your AutoCAD and drafting skills. We also produce a little 3D model here within the first 2 months of coming into the CAD and BIM program. Here is our second year student, our diploma students' work. This is a collaborative project that the students work on in the first 9 weeks of their program. This is an exterior scene of a building that the structural, the architects, the mechanical students have worked on collaboratively. Same building, same students working on the interior of the collaborative project. Again, in the first 9 weeks of year 2, our students work on this project in teams to mimic the real world of BIM. So you may ask, what do you need to get into our program? You don't need to be a math whiz. You don't need to be a computer expert. We will teach you everything. But you do need English 12 with a minimum of a C- grade and Workplace Mathematics 11 or equivalent. Applicants who have met these requirements and completed drafting 11 and 12 in high school can apply for direct entry in Term 2. VCC CAD short certificate graduates may insert into Level 2 of the program of your choice. Thank you for coming. Any questions, you can email vcccad@vcc.ca or myself, Kay Whiteman, at vcc.ca.